真的是臭美。
あるネオンバーが揺れる夜の魔法みんなを連れる
In today's video, we continue our exciting adventure at Universal Studios Japan. First, we explore the colorful Sanrio area, where adorable characters like Hello Kitty, Snoopy, and Charlie Brown bring smiles to visitors of all ages. The streets are filled with cute decorations, fun photo spots, and themed attractions that create a magical atmosphere. Next, we step into the world-famous wizarding world of Harry Potter. Walking through Hogsmeade feels like entering the movies themselves. From the majestic Hogwarts Castle to the charming shops and magical surroundings, every corner is packed with incredible details. Whether you are a Harry Potter fan or visiting for the first time, this immersive experience is truly unforgettable. Join us as we discover some of the most magical and family-friendly attractions at Universal Studios Japan. Did you know that if you want to take a photo with these characters at Universal Studios Japan, there is usually no traditional queue? Instead, the characters and their attendants often choose guests from the crowd for photo opportunities. Personally, we are not a big fan of this arrangement. From what we observed, the characters tend to approach young children or energetic guests more often, while quieter or shy visitors may be overlooked. It can be disappointing for fans who have been patiently waiting for a chance to meet their favorite character. We hope that one day the system can be improved so that everyone, regardless of age, personality, or confidence level, has a fair opportunity to take a photo with the characters they love. After all, magical memories should be available to all guests, not just the lucky few who get noticed. Charlie Brown and Snoopy themed area. We are very fortunate because a live performance is taking place right now. The atmosphere is full of energy as guests gather to watch their favorite Peanuts characters come to life. Seeing Charlie Brown, Snoopy, and friends performing in person makes the experience even more special. If you're visiting Universal Studios Japan, catching one of these live shows is definitely a memorable highlight you won't want to miss. Let's try our luck and see if Hello Daniel will choose us for a photo opportunity. Unfortunately, we had the same experience as before. Despite waiting patiently, we were not selected this time either. It was a little disappointing, especially since many fans were hoping for a chance to meet their favorite character. Hopefully, future visits will offer a more inclusive system so that everyone has an equal opportunity to create a special memory with these beloved characters. Here comes the Sesame Street themed area. We are now stepping into the colorful world of Elmo, Cookie Monster, and all the beloved Sesame Street characters. The atmosphere is full of bright colors, playful decorations, and family-friendly fun all around. It feels like walking straight into a cartoon world, where every corner brings a smile. From themed attractions to character meet and greet spots, Sesame Street adds so much joy and energy to the Universal Studios Japan experience. We are now on the way to the Harry Potter themed area, and the excitement is getting stronger with every step. The surroundings slowly transform, and you can already feel a shift in atmosphere as we get closer to the wizarding world. We are very excited to finally enter this magical land. From the towering Hogwarts Castle to the snowy rooftops of Hogsmeade Village, everything looks incredibly detailed and immersive. Every corner feels like a scene from the movie, making it hard to believe we are actually here. We can't wait to explore the shops, try the themed food and drinks, and capture some amazing photos. This is definitely one of the most anticipated highlights of our Universal Studios Japan visit.
5 points from Hufflepuff. Professor, perhaps we should upset the hypocrite?
They are very proud creatures, very easily offended.
その通り、ヒポグリフはとても誇り高い生き物。魔法生物史学の教えなんだ。それに機嫌を損ねてしまうのです。
ヒポグリフを絶対に侮辱してはいけません。
Insult her. I should say not. That would be highly unwise. そうね、いい機会だわ。ヒポグリフへの正しい。そして深く授業します。こんな気をつけて。
リクリク、お辞儀しようぜ。おお。
Unless it's like directly like a direct camera.
Sure, there's like a spot on the front.
这个真的是臭美。
啊？你讲嘛？
我说，你这个吹有臭美。
你看看。